Welcome, in front of me is an LG K30 from 2019, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode and also remove a screen lock on top of it. So let me just lock the device so you can see that there is a screen lock, and I'm gonna proceed as though I don't know it. So number one, you wanna shut off the device, and to do this we can't just hold the power key and select power off because it will confront us with putting in the pattern to shut it off. So you want to hold power key and volume down to forcefully shut off. Let me just light up the screen back up so you can see. Once the device shuts off, keep holding, and when you see the logo you want to let go of the power and start holding it once more while never letting go of the volume down. And we're now in the factory data reset. So from here you want to use volume keys to navigate, and you want to select yes, so volume down, and power key to confirm it, and again select yes and power key to confirm it, and the process will now begin. That will take several minutes, so just be patient, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, so I'm gonna go through the setup fairly quickly just so you can see that there is no more screen lock. Now what I need to really do is just pass through all of this setup process, and then I'll have access to the home screen. So and you can see we're now on the home screen. Almost, there we go. So if I lock the device and unlock it, you can also see that there is no more lock screen. There we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.